The other day, I've recorded a message which you probably heard about the pain and pleasure, how they are just fleeting moments, but there is this constant called bliss. Now, how do you experience that bliss? It's not that easy, right? I know it wasn't easy for me, but the beauty is that ancient sages like Sunitama, who teaches this amazing program called Sukshma Healing Meditation, helps us transcend both pain and pleasure. In our day-to-day life, when we go through pain, we try to seek pleasure. And we try to satisfy or cover up that pain by that pleasure, by either talking to friends or eating something or indulging in some other activity, or people even taking into substance abuse and smoking and drugs and all kinds of stuff, alcohol and many things to relieve, to cover up that pain and experience that momentary pleasure, which of course disappears in a moment of time and then goes back to pain. Now, here is a sage who takes one who is in that state of pain to bliss directly. We're talking from pain to bliss, and that is phenomenal because this is what happens in that process. In this process of Sukshma Healing Program, the focus is not on pain, the focus is not on pleasure. The focus is on the container of pain and pleasure, which is the pure consciousness. Pain and pleasure, all these experiences are actually happening on this consciousness. Imagine pure consciousness is like a film screen. When you go to the film theater, you see this wide screen. And now all these emotions of the people who come and go happen on the screen, but they come and then they go. It is exactly the same that happens in our life. There is the screen of pure consciousness in which this pain and pleasure happen. But unfortunately, we forget that screen, that pure consciousness, and we keep getting entangled and engulfed in this pain and pleasure experiences. Ancient sages like Sunitama help us to transcend that pain and pleasure and start to connect with that pure consciousness. And then once you experience that state of pure consciousness, which is nothing bliss, which is called Ananda in Sanskrit language, when you experience that bliss, you will start to realize that pain and pleasure are just fleeting moments. Then there is no attachment. Then you start to realize this. It's almost awakening. Why people call it awakening is like, it's like, oh, I get it now. This pain is not going to last forever. Its pleasure also going to not last forever. But what is permanent is that bliss. So tap into the pure consciousness and experience the bliss.